Yesterday, Tesla CEO Elon Musk just took the entire EV sector down with these comments. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up if you like this coverage that you're about to hear. Chris Isidore reports from CNN Business saying 6 months ago, Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, said he would stop attending investor conference calls unless there was something important that he needed to say. He should have stuck with that plan, says Chris Isidore from CNN.com. After skipping Tesla's third quarter call, he returned to the call Wednesday to discuss fourth quarter's record earnings and revenue. But his comments on this week's conference call spooked investors despite Tesla's successful financial results. Tesla shares had their worst day in months on Thursday, losing 11.6% and taking the other electric vehicle stocks down along with it. Elon Musk focused his comments on supply chain issues that had hurt Tesla far less than other automakers. Although Musk said Tesla was on path to be comfortably above 50% growth in 2022 and that the chip shortage is better than last year, he also noted the supply chain problem is still an issue that could slow the rollout of new vehicles that had been expected as soon as this year. He said plans for its Cybertruck, Tesla's first electric pickup, would be pushed back to at least 2023, along with a new Roadster and a semi-truck. He said he hopes Tesla will be ready to bring those to production hopefully next year. That is more likely. That wasn't what Tesla investors wanted to hear, especially as competition heats up. Upstart EV truck maker Rivian is already building and selling its electric pickup, which recently won Motor Trend Truck of the Year honors. Ford is due to start building its F-150 Lightning EV in the spring and plans to produce 80,000 trucks a year to meet strong pre-orders. General Motors this week announced it would start building an electric vehicle version of its Silverado and Sierra pickups in 2024. Some Wall Street analysts were frustrated by Elon Musk's comments on the call. There was no reason that he needed to double down and shout supply chain into a crowded theater, said Dan Ives, tech analyst at Wedbush Securities. He gave the bears meat on the bones. That's why the stock sold off. I'm convinced if Musk was not on the call, the stock probably would have been up on Thursday. None of Elon Musk's comments directly addressed the situation at other electric vehicle companies, but all the pure play EV stocks fell sharply Thursday. Rivian fell 10.5%, while Lucid shares tumbled 14.1%, and Chinese EV maker NIO had its US shares fall 6.8%. I've said Musk's comments raised concerns that if an electric vehicle maker as big as Tesla is facing problems, its smaller upstart rivals could be suffering even worse. Tesla shares are down 21% this year through Thursday's close, and it has fallen below a $1 trillion market cap, a benchmark it hit late last year. Even with the sell-off, which continued Friday, Tesla shares are worth more than the market value of the 10 largest car makers in the world combined. That means Tesla has a valuation that many people think is unsustainable, making it more sustainable to sell off like the one Thursday, especially at a time that broader US markets are already in correction territory. Investors wanted confidence from Musk, I've said. Instead, they got him talking about supply chain and robots. Elon Musk's comments on the call were a stark contrast to Apple CEO Tim Cook's performance on its call Thursday evening. Cook also had very strong fourth quarter results to report, and like just about all manufacturing companies on the planet, is dealing with supply issues. But with Cook assuring investors Apple shares were higher in Friday morning trading. Friends, as I'm reporting this story, I just wanted to let you know that I am not in the stock market. I'm not a stockholder, and I'm reporting pure news for you. And therefore, what I'm about to say is not bound by any conflicts of interest. I personally think Elon Musk did well telling the truth. It is important to know the truth so people know when to invest, because people want return on their investment. And Elon Musk said honestly that we are having supply chain issues, and the chip shortage issue is not finished yet. This gives investors a good idea if they invest in electric vehicles when they can have return. Right now, all cars are expensive because of supply chain issues. I have friends who want to buy cars and they tell me that cars are expensive. Not only electric cars, but also all types of cars are expensive. Used car prices have gone up because there aren't that many new cars coming to the market because of the supply chain issues and also chip issues. So Elon Musk told the truth and honestly said that, and I appreciate that. Although I myself am not a stockbroker or not a stockholder. I'm not in the stock market at all. So I think I appreciate what Elon Musk did in this case, telling the truth, so people may be able to invest in other areas and have decent returns on their investment. But this also gives people who are long-term investors maybe a good shot, maybe good discount prices, because they know that when the chip shortage is solved, which will eventually be solved, hopefully, the stock market will rebound. The car industry, the car sector will rebound. Electric vehicle sector will rebound, and things may get back to normal. I said may because we don't know about the future. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. And please, let's move on to our next story. Please let me know in the comments section, do you think people will appreciate or should appreciate Elon Musk's honest opinion on the situation? Have a wonderful day, and let's move on to our next Tesla story. 2 days ago, Tesla had made very interesting and clear indications about its roadmap for 2022. Tesla's product roadmap update, for example, revealed the Cybertruck and that the $25,000 model will not come in 2022. So what will happen to Tesla roadmap in 2022? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please take a moment, subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news, and give us thumbs up, like this video, we would greatly appreciate it. So, Tesla's earnings call for Q4 and full year 2021 was its most impressive in history from a financial standpoint, notes Joey Klander in Teslarati. He says after accomplishing its second profitable year of operations with a healthy automotive gross margin and above consensus reports of production and delivery figures, Tesla activated bullish commentary across the board from many analysts and firms. However, the most anticipated portion of the call for some was Elon Musk's promise to update Tesla's product roadmap for 2022, which revealed that Cybertruck, Semi, Roadster, and Optimus will not come until 2023 at the earliest. So we will not be introducing new vehicle models this year, Elon Musk said on the call. He also said it would not make any sense because we'll still be parts constrained. Global supply chain issues have plagued much of the automotive industry. Tesla, interestingly, has been the one company that has seemingly defied all odds and avoided increasing wait times for even the most standard of parts. However, the company is not immune to the shortages of 2022. Will not be a year where Tesla introduces new vehicles, including the Cybertruck, which was recently rumored to be pushed back to 2023. It seems that reports were correct, and Tesla will not enter any explicit production phases of the Cybertruck nor any other models Elon Musk mentioned this year. The Roadster, Tesla Semi, and the $25,000 rumored vehicle will not enter production anytime during 2022. It looks like as long as the supply chain issue is not solved. This does not mean that Tesla will not be developing them, however, because a couple of days ago from Chinese website we heard really exclusive specs about Tesla's $25,000 apparently a hatchback called Model Q. I've had that report a couple of days ago, friends. So Elon Musk said, we will, however, do a lot of engineering and tooling, whatnot, to create those vehicles. Cybertruck, Semi, Roadster, Optimus, and be ready to bring those to production, hopefully next year in 2023. That is most likely, Musk added. He also indicated that the Tesla bot, which is inching toward the name Optimus Subprime, will be Tesla's most important product development of 2022. This, I think, has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. While some are frustrated with timeline delays, it is important to remember Tesla cannot control global supply constraints. While the company is super vertically integrated, it cannot build its entire vehicles itself and has to receive some of its parts from third-party suppliers. Notes Joey Klender from Tesla Radiance says this has limited Tesla's ability to offer certain powertrains and has pushed back delivery dates on some currently offered models. What about models that have been in Tesla's pipeline for several years? The Cybertruck had an initial production date of late 2021 for the tri-motor powertrain. Now, the tri-motor will not even be the premier trim, according to Elon Musk himself, who said a quad-motor variant would be the first Cybertruck model produced at Gigafactory, Texas. Tesla's uber affordable $25,000 model will also not be coming anytime soon, although he confirmed it. We're not currently working on the $25,000 car. At some point we will, but we have enough on our plate right now, too much on our plate, frankly, so at some point there will be. End of the quote. Friends, the Q4 2021 earnings call really told us all one thing. The good stuff is coming next year. It's not part of the Tesla's roadmap for 2022. This year will be the year of surviving the supply chain shortage, which Elon Musk also stated would last through this year. In other words, if you're talking about Tesla's roadmap for 2022, it's surviving the supply shortage just like any other automotive company or any other major company. Elon Musk said, so in 2022, supply chain will continue to be the fundamental limiter of output across all factories. So the chip shortage, while better than last year, is still an issue. After Tesla works through short-term issues with the supply chain bottleneck, the company's longer-term projects can move forward, bringing more groundbreaking and innovative electric vehicles to the market. So what do you think about all of these things, friends? What do you think about Tesla's roadmap for 2022 and Tesla's roadmap for 2023? How will it change in 2023? I would love to hear from you. If you have any comments, concerns, or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Give us thumbs up, please. We would greatly appreciate it. Like this video, share in social media. God bless you, everyone. And let's move on to our next Tesla story.